Welcome back, and in this video I'll show you how to create a personal pin on the Xbox Series X. So this pin can be useful if you want to prevent people from accessing your account. You can create a pin and set it on your Xbox Series X. So all you have to do is power on your console and access this homepage, and then from here select the settings icon that appears on top of the screen. So select that. And then within the settings, scroll down and select account. And then within the account settings, choose sign in, security, and PIN. So select that and give it a few seconds. Then before you proceed, you'll be asked to type in your password of their Microsoft account so that you can access this page. So type in your password. So once you type in your password, press on the select next button, and then give it a few seconds, and then now you'll access this page. So from here, select the create my personal pin option, choose that, and then you'll be asked to set your personal pin. So use your controller or remote to enter a 6-digit pin. So let's enter a 6-digit pin. And then you'll be asked to enter that personal pin again. So type it in again. And once done, you will have created your personal pin. So that's basically it on how to create a pin on the Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.